You ran ChatGPT on your survey data, got a polished, beautiful report. Then ran it again, same data, different themes, different conclusions. Which one do you send to your funder? There's a name for what you're experiencing: the reporting dead zone, the structural gap between when your data closes and when evidence actually reaches the people who need it. This is not a writing problem. It is not a tool problem. It is an architecture problem. The average program team spends 40 to 60 hours assembling a single impact report. 3 root causes: dirty data, inconsistent formats, no unique IDs linking survey waves, qualitative bottlenecks, open-ended responses requiring weeks of manual coding, and format assembly, rebuilding charts, narrative, and slides from scratch every cycle. Each cause adds days. Together, they push evidence past its decision window. By the time your spring cohort report lands, it's autumn, and the decisions were made in August. Gen AI appears to solve this. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, feed them a spreadsheet, get a polished 5-section report. It looks professional. But run the same dataset twice. You get 2 different outputs, different qualitative themes, different metric framing, different narrative conclusions from identical inputs. That's not a formatting quirk. That's the kind of variance that makes a foundation question whether your numbers were ever real. And the survey tools, SurveyMonkey, Qualtrics, Google Forms, every one of them hands you the same thing at the end of collection: a spreadsheet. Cleaning, merging, coding, analyzing, formatting. That's your problem. Gen AI cannot fix missing unique IDs. Qualtrics cannot retroactively link survey waves that were never designed to connect. The platform gap is structural. Both tools end at collection. Neither one was built for the report that follows. Here is the shift that changes everything. Traditional data collection is dead. Not because surveys are dead, because collecting data without continuous analysis is the same as collecting data without intent. AI does not improve your old workflow, it demands a new one. The organizations winning right now did not bolt AI onto a survey process. They rebuilt the process for AI. The new workflow is a loop, not a pipeline. Start small, collect effective data, analyze immediately, add more context, apply a framework. Your intelligence compounds with every cycle. This is not a report you write once a year. This is a living body of evidence that grows. More data, more context, more signal. That is what Sopact Sense is built to do. Step 1. Start small. Collect effective data. Don't design the perfect 40-question survey on day 1. Start with 1 question. Notice this. Sopact Sense designs collection architecture around the downstream report from the start. SurveyMonkey and Google Forms deliver identical exports regardless of what decision your data needs to support. Design for the report, not for the tool. Step 2. Analyze immediately, not after the survey closes, not after your analyst runs the export. Right now, at the point of collection. Notice this. Sopact Sense's intelligence cell analyzes open-ended responses as they arrive, extracting themes, confidence measures, sentiment, adding them as structured columns next to the source data. By the time your survey closes, qualitative coding is already done. Manual coding in NVivo or a shared spreadsheet. 2 to 4 weeks for a cohort of 50. Sopact Sense done at collection. Step 3. Add context and watch it compound. Every survey wave linked by a persistent unique ID. Pre-program, midpoint, post-program follow-up. Notice this. Context does not add linearly, it compounds. The second data point is twice as valuable because you know where it came from. The third is 3 times. Most platforms give you snapshots. Sopact builds longitudinal intelligence. Without unique IDs, you are comparing 2 different groups and calling it a pre-post delta. Step 4. Go beyond survey feedback. Your stakeholder data is not just survey responses, it is interviews, it is documents, sustainability disclosures, program reports, grant submissions. It is data dictionaries. Notice this. Sopact Sense applies intelligence cell to every data type. A PDF ESG disclosure, an interview transcript, a recommendation letter, all analyzed, all scored, all linked to the same unique stakeholder ID, one platform, every signal. Step 5. Apply your framework. Theory of change, logic model, SROI, Iris Plus. Notice this. You do not need to choose a framework before you collect. Collect clean, linked, longitudinal data with Sopact Sense. Any framework applies. Because the framework is not the hard part. The data architecture is the hard part. Sopact Sense solves the hard part. Your framework builds on top of it. Here is what this looks like in practice. 4 live reports. Open without a login right now. A girls' code workforce training cohort. Pre-post skill deltas across 6 dimensions in 5 minutes. A scholarship panel. 500 applicants. AI scored. Reviewers cut from 15 minutes to 3 minutes per application. An ESG portfolio analysis. Corporate sustainability disclosures turned into a cross-portfolio LP dashboard. A qual-quant correlation map, showing whether test scores actually predict confidence. All generated by Sopact Sense, all reproducible, all deterministic, same data, same structure every time. Here is the structural difference. Not a marketing claim, a technical one. Gen AI produces different outputs from the same data. Sopact Sense is deterministic. Same inputs, same outputs, every cycle. Gen AI has no unique participant IDs. Sopact assigns them at first contact. Gen AI cannot run pre-post comparisons. Sopact auto-generates them from the ID chain. Gen AI disaggregation shifts across sessions. Sopact's segment definitions are fixed. One platform is Fluent, one is defensible, funders require the second one. Your program data already contains the proof of impact. The only problem is the 60 hours your staff spends manually assembling it. Start small, collect with intent, analyze immediately, let context compound. Go beyond the survey, apply any framework. See a live Sopact Sense report built from your own data in under 20 minutes. The link is in the description. sopact.com/request demo. Traditional data collection is dead. Your reporting does not have to be.